Let's go over how to set up product preparation and pickup time and cutoff rules for your locations. Start by navigating to the Locations page. Click Edit on the specific store location profile you want to configure. Scroll down to the Click and Collect section until you find the Click and Collect preparation time. Here you can see Click and Collect preparation time settings. Toggle the switch to Enabled. This feature allows you to customize product preparation time and cutoff boundaries on a day-by-day basis. Since today is Thursday, let's configure 2 days as preparation time for Thursday. From this drop-down, you can set up preparation time as a minutes, hours, and for days. Finalize the configuration changes by clicking the Save button. Now let's go to Cart page and refresh it. Select Click and Collect method. Choose the location where you set up preparation time. When you open the Date Selector calendar, you can see 2 preparation days are disabled to select. Let's go back to App Setting and set up cutoff time to see how it works. Let's enable the Add a Cutoff Time. For example, my current time is 5 p.m. Let's configure cutoff time to 4 p.m. This tells the application that any customer land on cart page after 4 p.m. it's automatically require a mandatory 3-day as preparation time. Here also you can select minutes, hours, and a day as you want to set up cutoff time. Click Save once changes are done. Again, go to Cart page and refresh. Once again, choose Click and Collect. Select Location. Open the Integrated Date Selector calendar. The interface successfully prevents short notice orders. As you see, after 4 p.m. cutoff time already passed. That's why 3 days are as a preparation time. Don't forget to set up preparation time and cutoff time for each day of the week.